فيديو جميل جدا على هذا السائح الأمريكي. سائح أمريكي جا هنا للمغرب كيضرب واحد التركيلة عالمية كما كتشوفوا. كيجيبو العائلة ديالو كيشوفوا واحد المناظر اللي هي خلابة جدا، يعني يا سلام، الجبال، طبيعة، الطويجنات، يعني أحسن طاجين يقدر يضربوا في العالم، يقدر يضربوا في المغرب في الأجواء ديال الطبيعة اللي هي الصراحة جميلة جدا وهادئة والكالم. يقدر يمشي لها الإنسان مع العائلة ديالو كسائح أو كمقيم في البلاد. مثلا يقدر يكون إنسان مقيم في البلاد ولا يقدر يكون سائح، يعني مزيانة أنه يمشي يشوف قريب المناظر الجميلة في البلاد، وهادشي كيشرفنا، شي زوين. كنتمناو من الناس كاملين بقاو يشرفوا البلاد. تحياتي لكم الإخوان، لا ما نطول عليكم، وفرجة من شاء الله.
Just on the hunt for a frog, and maybe if Moroccan animal safari, Mr. Elko himself, you might know him as Fake Bee Man, is watching. He can identify these frogs, I'm sure of that. Someone's gonna jump from really high up there. She doesn't chicken out. Let's see. Oh, she's chickening out. Nice.
What?
She jumped from really high, Remy. I see a frog.
Where is it?
It's the green thing straight in front of us on the rocks over there between the bushes. Caution of high winds. Remy, come here by me, please. Yikes. Scary. I was ordered to remove my shoes. So what are we gonna try and do, Rumi?
Catch the frog with the net.
With the net. Okay, there's another frog, not like these green ones. Just here. He might be our best chance. Look, he's back. Should I catch him again? I hope he's okay. He looks okay. And just like her sister, he's got a fish as well.
This is awesome when there's water, no?
You like it?
Yeah.
Ready for this? It smells good. It's hot. It's hot. You wait. You come over here. Who's that for? Is that for? Okay, put it there. She thinks everything's for the cats, but no. Hot. Like this, baby. You put bread, and you just dip it in, and you eat like this.
That's how I eat them. Yes.
It's hot. I mean, the water's cold. Tagine is hot. The chaos of eating a tagine with a 1-year-old surrounded by cats.
Nom nom nom.
You like it, Rumi?
Nom nom nom.
Today's Friday. I wonder if we could have got couscous here.
Yeah.
I saw it. It looks good.
I regret it.
You regret it? It's easy to eat.
But this tangine is good, so
That's good, yeah.
I don't regret it anymore.
And I love the setting we're in with all this nature and happy people. Baby, hey, leave him alone. Hey. Leave him alone.
Beba.
Put the tagine lid on, baby. Or Rumi. Tagine's finished. Is she still hungry or what? She's too distracted to eat.
Always. So this is the part we're not going to do with the baby and Rumi. It's like a little bit hike up. Just a couple of minutes I went. See the view, to see the pools. Here behind me, people swimming. So yeah, definitely doable with the kids up to the first pool, and then further up it's up to you if you want to carry them. I would not recommend, but I think up to the first level, like you're still on the ground level, is great. So even babies in the carrier and so on. So yeah, definitely something on your to-do list if you're coming to Morocco with kids. Look at this water here. Wow. The higher this path you go, less people, more beautiful, less trash. So definitely worth a little hike if you're up for it. Be careful, it's still a gorge. It can be slippery, especially after rain. Keep it clean, keep it clean. Take your trash with you, because I'm gonna show you something now that you're not gonna like, but this is the reality of mass tourism. Pick up your trash and take it back where you came from.
It's 5:30 and the sun is finished in Paradise Valley, so if you're coming here, make sure you get your sun, because if you're gonna swim, it's gonna get cold. You want the sun to warm up.
There is still a little bit of water there.
It's not a walk in the park, but it is doable with kids. We never took Rumi here before because we were always nervous about the hiking. As you can see, it's not easy with the little one, but it is doable. I saw a lot of kids here. Someone with a baby, if you have a carrier, it's good. It's not a bad hike. Hike is my American word. Slovenians wouldn't call this a hike.
We would call it walk in the park.
I don't know if Moroccans will call it a hike, but it's a walk.
And if you see this video, just let us know in the comments. We got reports from many viewers that they don't see our videos anymore. I guess it's the algorithm. And if you like the video, press that heart or a bell button, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. We are going to another great adventure tomorrow. It's a farm a little bit out of Agadir. Can you show me what's in your net? What? You caught Pringles?
The construction.
Yeah, we're taking a taxi.
Yeah, he said 2 children, 50 dirham. I think it was a great price. Big Romy. We got her.
No. You have.
Yeah, we got her too. You like it? We're so happy too. Well, bye-bye, guys. Oh, I'm in the way, donkey. Sorry, yeah. Ah, it's a photo, ah. Babe, I look so happy out there. It's okay, babe. It's okay. We're going. I like this taxi. You like that? They both like it. Okay. Who's at the back? Oh no. There we go. There we go. He's got her.
ماشي إيرو.
إيرو.